What does advice mean? Advice means a suggestion or recommendation given to help someone decide what to do. In simple words, advice means guidance or helpful suggestions. People give advice to help others solve problems or make better decisions. For example, my teacher gave me good advice about my career. This means the teacher gave helpful suggestions. Advice can come from parents, friends, teachers, or experts. It is usually given based on knowledge or experience. For example, she asked her doctor for advice about her health. Here are more example sentences. He followed his father's advice. I appreciate your advice on this problem. The manager gave advice to the new employees. It is important to remember that advice is a noun and it is usually uncountable. In simple terms, advice means helpful suggestions given to someone. Easy way to remember. Advice means guidance or helpful suggestions.